Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the watch face down on a soft pad and using the right tool. A proper case wrench prevents damage. You then remove any straps that obstruct access so you have clear leverage. Once you pry or unscrew the back, inspect the gasket for cracks and the threads for debris. This tells you whether you need cleaning, a new seal, or to change your approach. Do this now so you don't force parts later and cause permanent damage. Now tackle the middle work. Carefully clean the caseback threads and mating surfaces with a soft brush and 90% plus isopropyl, making sure no liquid reaches the movement. If the gasket is hardened or misshapen, replace it with the exact size. A poor seal causes water ingress. Once parts are clean and the new gasket is seated, align the caseback tabs and crown. This alignment prevents cross-threading and ensures an even seal when you press or screw the back on. Finish by reseating the caseback with even pressure or the correct wrench torque. Uneven force will misseal the gasket. Once closed, perform a basic water resistance check. Submerge briefly or use a leak test kit, or take it for a professional pressure test for certainty. If you notice rubbing, gaps, or the back won't tighten, stop and reevaluate the gasket size and thread condition. Those are the usual culprits. If threads are damaged, consult a watchmaker to avoid further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.